Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add images to a GitHub README.md file. Open your browser, go to github.com, and sign in if you're not already. From the dashboard, click the repository where your README is. I'm opening my taskboard repository. On the repository page, scroll down to the file list and click the README.md file. That opens the rendered README, not the markdown. Click the pencil icon in the upper right corner to edit it. In the editor, click exactly where you want the image to sit. I'm placing mine under the project description before the features heading. Press Enter to add a blank line. You need that blank line because if the image sits right against a heading or a paragraph, the markdown renderer can pull it into a single line and the spacing looks broken. Now the fastest method. Open your file manager, find the image on your computer, and drag it straight into the markdown editor. I'm using a file named dashboard.png. Drop it on that blank line. GitHub uploads it and writes the markdown reference for you. Give it a few seconds. You'll see a progress indicator, then a long generated line with the image name. Leave that line alone. GitHub's generated reference works, and hand editing it right now is where people accidentally break the link. Click the Preview tab above the editor. You should see the image appear in the rendered README exactly where you placed it. Check the text around it. Keep the real instructions as text because a screenshot supports a step, but it doesn't replace it. If the image is huge, that's okay for now. Scroll down to the Commit Changes section, type Add Project Screenshot in the commit message, and click Commit Changes. GitHub saves and sends you back to the repository. Scroll down to the README section and confirm the image is showing. That direct drag method is fine for one image, but if you are going to store several screenshots, do not keep dragging them from your desktop. Put them in an Images folder inside the repository first, go back to the repository's main page, click Add File, then Create New File. In the name field type Images, then a / then .git keep. This creates an empty Images folder when you commit. Type Create Images folder as the commit message, click Commit New File. Now the Images folder appears in your file list. Click into that folder, then click Add File and Upload Files. Click Choose Your Files and select your image files from your computer. I'm selecting dashboard.png, settings.png, and reports.png. These are already cropped and I've checked that none of them show API keys, passwords, or personal information. That check matters more than people think because once a screenshot is in Git history, deleting it later is not enough. Before committing, scroll down, type Add README Images as the commit message, and click Commit Changes. The files are now stored in the Images folder. Now you can reference those files from the README with a relative path, which is more reliable than the drag-and-drop upload. Go back to the repository's main page, open README.md, and click the pencil icon again. Put your cursor at the spot where you want the image. I'll add a project preview heading, then enter, then type the markdown. Exclamation mark, open square bracket, project dashboard, close square bracket, open parentheses, images / dashboard.png, close parentheses. That is the full image reference. Click preview. You'll see the same image rendered, but this time it's pulling from your repository, so if you move the README or copy the repo, the link stays stable. Scroll down and commit with the message use uploaded image in README. Then click Commit Changes. If you want multiple images, add them the same way, each near the section it belongs to. Don't stack all your screenshots at the top. Put the dashboard image under the project preview heading, the settings image near the settings section, and the reports image near the reports section. That keeps the README useful instead of visually noisy. If you have a logo, put it right under the title, but keep it small and wide. Use plain file names like dashboard.png instead of screenshot123.png because you'll find them later. Another thing I'd skip from the start is storing full resolution screenshots. If your image is more than a few thousand pixels wide, resize it down first. GitHub will display it, but the repository gets heavy and the page loads slower. PNG is best for screenshots with text, JPEG is better for photos. Avoid GIF for documentation unless you specifically need the animation because GIF files get large fast. And when the interface changes later, replace the old screenshots in the same commit, because outdated screenshots invite bug reports for features that no longer exist. After you commit, open the repository main page and scroll to the README again. If an image shows as broken, click back into the Images folder and check the exact file name. If it doesn't match the reference in the README, open the README editor and fix the path. If an image looks blurry, replace it with a higher resolution PNG, not a JPEG, because JPEG compression makes text edges soft. And if you ever spot a screenshot with private information, delete it and immediately rotate that credential, because the old version survives in the commit history. If this saved you from a broken README image, hit the like button, subscribe if you want more GitHub setup walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.